আৰু এইখিনি এৰি হয় এৰিটো অকণমান ডিফাৰেঞ্চ আছে এৰিটো বগা হয় আৰু এইটো মানে মুগাটো অকণমান হয় এইখিনি এৰি হয় এৰি এই সপোনৰ পৰা এইখিনি আৰু ইয়াৰ সূতাটো এৰি মুগাতকৈ এইটো অকণমান বেলেগ হয় একেই মানে পটককৈ টকৰ দাম নহয় ইয়াৰ পৰা মানে এম্ব্ৰইডাৰী একেই
कालर हम सीड सो करते हैं, उसको उगाते हैं, वी ग्रो, वी नर्चर देन वी हार्वेस्ट द सीड। पर यहाँ पर सेरिकल्चर में कैसा है, वी फोकस ऑन टू एस्पेक्ट्स। वन इज होस्ट प्लांट which is used as feed for the silkworm. So यहाँ पे both hand in hand both the host plant and the silkworm. So we have two types of we are majorly focusing on Muga and Eri. So Muga में majorly 4 host plants हैं. 2 are called primary host plant. This silkworm prefers mainly those primary host plants, Som and Soalu. So पीछे जो है ये सब सोम का प्लांट है और वहाँ पे जो है सोआलू है उस साइड पे जो है। उसके अलावा 2 सेकेंडरी होस्ट प्लांट्स हैं। व्हेन प्राइमरी होस्ट प्लांट इज नॉट अवेलेबल, दिस कैन फीड आल्सो फीड ऑन सेकेंडरी होस्ट प्लांट। दिस आर कॉल्ड मेजेंटरी। तो ये मेजेंटरी है और वो है दिग्लोटी। तो दिस आर द मेजर 4 होस्ट प्लांट, सोम, सोआलू, मेजेंटरी एंड दिग्लोटी। वैसे ही एरिया में क्या होता है, मेजर होस्ट प्लांट इज केसरू, प्राइमरी होस्ट प्लांट एंड कैस्टर। सो कैस्टर क्या होता है, कैस्टर इज एनुअल क्रॉप, मतलब हर टाइम फार्मर को सो करना पड़ता है और हार्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है। पर ट्री प्लांटेशन मतलब लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए देखेंगे तो कैसरू इज ऑल्सो प्राइमरी होस्ट प्लांट। एक बार फार्मर ने सो कर दिए, देन ही कैन हार्वेस्ट द लीव्स अप टू 25 to 30 ईयर्स। ऐसे प्लांटेशंस मेंटेन करते हैं फार्मर और उसको रेगुलरली फॉर एरी कल्चर में यूज़ करते हैं। तो दिस इज मेजर, विल जस्ट लुक अराउंड, विल जस्ट गो अराउंड। यहाँ पे अभी रियरिंग चल रहा है, इसमें मोगा का रियरिंग चल रहा है। विल ऑल्सो गो इन बैचेस एंड सी हाउ रियरिंग इज डन। सो मैम विल जस्ट
प्लीज हैव अ लुक ऑफ primary host plant, at least in next future course, at least you could be able to identify this is at least food plant for Muga area. At least this is a basic.
फार्मर सोम को यूज़ करते हैं ऐसे प्राइमरी होस्ट प्लांट। कुछ जगह पे सोलू भी यूज़ करते हैं। सोलू थोड़ा on 4 plants also it will be golden color. That's not the case. It is highly preferred for its like consumption, it to complete the life cycle. And this is the one aspect, means preference towards the host plant. Okay, if you give 4 host plants, means it will mainly prefer these 2 plants. That's why it's the primary host plant. This is the one thing. Second thing would be like the availability. In this region, northeast, and the availability of these among 4 plants, the availability of these 2 host plants will be very high. So that may be the reason also to consider these 2 as primary host plants. They basically see the characters. मतलब हम ये क्या देखते हैं, like how better it's preferring, we give 4 leaves which is preferring more. So एक तो preference wise, एक तो ड्यूरेशन, मतलब अगर फार्मर को 2-3 दिन का भी ज़्यादा बढ़ गया अगर कोई और लीफ देख के, then it's a loss for him because he cannot take the next cycle. अगर अगले साइकिल में मतलब ईच साइकिल अगर 3 डेज या 4 डेज में बढ़ रहा है तो इट्स ए लॉस फॉर हिम। सो लेस ड्यूरेशन बट बेटर कोकून वेट। अल्टीमेटली क्या है, कोकून थोड़ा बड़ा होना चाहिए, कॉम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए और हाई सिल्क रिकवरी होना चाहिए। सो ये सब बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स को देख के लास्ट में मतलब हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि प्राइमरी होस्ट प्लांट ये है। इन केस अगर प्राइमरी होस्ट प्लांट बिल्कुल अवेलेबल नहीं है, उस केस में वो सेकेंडरी होस्ट प्लांट की तरफ जाता है। टेक्नोलॉजी, so first we have completed here the arboriculture, means the cultivation of the host plant. Here we are mainly showing the Muga host plant. The eri host plants we are grown at BCC also and another. So next is rearing. So what is the domestication status of Muga silkworm? So whether it is completely domesticated or it's semi-domesticated or it is Anyone? It is a semi-domesticated. Okay, after means after collecting the eggs from drainage, means once they will hatch, the larvae, they will be transferred to the plants, and here you can see they are currently at the 3rd instars. So once the we will leave as such there only, they will form cocoon, and there we will collect the cocoon. Okay, that's why that is a wild and it's
Usually, like you see, these are the Muga ones. This one going to second instar, it will have kind of a zebra pattern kind of thing. Then it will go into third instar, it will look greenish. Where these spots you can see, it's orange. Everyone, these spots will be violet in chaloni. So each time, after each rearing, we disinfect both net and chaloni because we don't want, if there is any diseases, we don't want it to go to the next rearing cycle. So they keep it. Usually what happens, the farm, there are
deciding only on the egg cell surface. Okay, so that's why it is a it's having horizontal, vertical cross transmission in all transmission that.
So these are Kesuru. We also have Borpath. Borpath, they have bigger leaf, and these are the major host plants in agriculture. So we'll just visit the OTC, open top chambers. But with net to prevent the predators. So if you ask your grandfather, they'll say the climate is changing. It's not raining when it is supposed to rain. So recently we are focusing more on climate change. So one of the reason is we are doing many activities which are releasing the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which causes global warming and increases the temperature. So these OTCs or open top chambers are used to mimic those conditions or give those conditions and see how the plants and silkworm behave in the conditions. So there are predictions that now at present there is around 400 ppm of CO2. Means it's a measure like we say 1 kg, 2 kg. Same way for gases we say in ppm. So 400 ppm of CO2 is present. So what it is expected to reach 550 ppm in the by end of this century. So what we do, we are giving externally, we'll give a CO2 in this. Like there are 4 different ones. That is ambient, means we give normal temperature and CO2. In this we are giving both CO2, additional CO2 and temperature. So we are giving 1.5 degrees more than the ambient. Means the natural what is daytime more temperature is there, more than that 1.5 degrees. So it is expected by end of this feel comparatively it's hotter inside as compared to outside. So we'll use a heating system. Careful. We'll use the heating system. There is a thermometer here. So this will give both wet bulb and dry bulb temperatures. So we'll also have the sensors in this, which there is one room there where it will show the temperature and it will automatically control. So if there is reduction, the heating system will on. You can, if you want, you can come a bit more inside and see. Careful. We'll use different methods and see in all the 4 combinations how the plants are behaving and how the plants are changing. CO2 is used by plants for photosynthesis. So more CO2, more photosynthesis. Plants will go to more. But this CO2 is not increased. There is temperature also. So we are giving 4 combinations and seeing how it will affect the plant. So ultimately we will know what are the negative effects. So if you know the negative effects, you can know how to control this.
Send us this is sample like this and send. Then from this we will take 1 or 2 larvas in this pestle and mortar using this potassium carbonate. 0.8% potassium carbonate will crush. Then we'll take or drop on this slide. Microscope will observe. This is digital microscope. So see in this kind of microscope we need to observe here, but in this it will be displayed in this screen only. So now I will show one. This is 70% ethanol. These lights are not good. That's why I'm just 5. will observe. But here in this we already did that, and we we filtered that also, because we need to remove all those scales and all those things. No? So it is like filtered. Now 0.8% potassium carbonate.
Potassium carbonate 0.8%.
First we tested. First I will show the photos, because Grassery, NPV. Grassery is caused by these are pebrine spores, protozoan spores. You all know na gram staining means gram positive, gram negative.
We'll pluck the leaf and we'll feed it in the indoors. It's almost similar to the mulberry, now indoor airing. So standardized package of practices for area silkworm. And NBR1 is called as a
University also. Do you have your repository? Okay, first of all, the repository, what is the meaning of repository? It's a like formal collection of the specimens and the preservation for future scientific studies. Okay, as it is an insect repository, so we are like preserving the insects which are related to the silkworm ecosystem, mainly the Moga and Eri silkworm ecosystems. Okay, so in this repository, so we are having 3 types of collections. First one is the different silkworms. Okay, Moga silkworm, Eri silkworm, and the oak tassar. So our means the mandatory insects of our institute are like Moga, Eri, and we are also working on the oak tassar, not temperate like a tropical tassar, because for that Ranchi is there. They are also undertaking oak tassar, but we are also concentrating on oak tassar also. So the silkworm species we are having, and the pest. Pest, what is pest? Means anything which causes nuisance in the like the rearing practice, whatever. Means it will cause the economic damage to the humankind. That is pest. So we are also having the specimens of pest pertaining to both silkworm and also the host plants. So okay, here you can see first here in this rack we are mainly like preserving the Lepidoptera fauna. It might be like the silkworms and also the butterflies and other moths which are related to the silkworm ecosystem. So then we are having the Muga silkworm species complex preservation. So in Muga silkworm we are having wild and also the cultivated one. So all the different kinds of silkworms like Muga silkworms we are preserving here. And then in this rack we are preserving Eri silkworm species complex, because here also we are having wild one and also the commercializer, that is cultivated one. So what is the like wild Eri silkworm? Samia Kannigi. Okay, the rearing the cultivated one is Samia rismi. So like this we are having the different boxes. Okay. If it is bigger one, we will go for the right time. So we install the light in the night time. Thereby the shows light and while they are it is like the tiny one. For example, say the leaf
Anyways, we said